So we are gonna poach an egg. Don't be scared. Everybody's scared of poaching eggs. It's so much easier than you think. We have boiling water right here, right now. It has some salt in it. I'm gonna turn it down. We're just gonna stay at a simmer. Now, I'm gonna put some everyday, average, ordinary white vinegar into the water. I would say about a tablespoon. You don't want to taste it, but you do want it to activate the coagulation of the egg white. So technical. You just want it to make the egg cook, really. Okay, now, I like to create a whirlpool in my water just because when the egg goes in, it immediately starts to get cooked in a very circular motion. It doesn't work for everybody. Not everybody loves this method. Of course you could put the egg right in. My other tip to you is to crack your egg first. Do not crack directly into the water. Your egg could break, there could be a shell, there could be blood in your yolk. Crack it first. This is what the pros do. Now you're a pro. And then you ease it in. So we're gonna lower our egg in and he's gonna start to spin right away. And I'm gonna crack another one because I like 2 poached eggs. And I'm gonna go right in with that one. Now my whirlpool is stopped a little, but it also helps keep the eggs separate. I'm gonna keep on moving that water. Just make sure when you move the water around, you're only doing it on the top, on the surface. Don't hit the eggs. This is a very delicate moment right now. The eggs are cooking. The yolk is starting to solidify. The egg white, as you can see, is already complete. Make sure that your water stays at a simmer. When the eggs went in, the water temperature dropped a little bit. Now they're cooking. Now they're in the final stages. I like my poached egg nice and runny. So we're gonna do this for about a minute and then we're gonna be finished. They are ready. I'm using a slotted spoon and I'm removing the beautifully poached egg. This one looks gorgeous. And this one, I always like to make a tester to make sure it's delicious, perfectly poached and ready. So which one should we eat? How about this one? Ready? Let's watch that yolk. Oh, yes. That is perfect. Oh my God. It's so heavenly. Perfect runny yolk. Put it on anything. Put an egg on it. Eggs Benedict. Put it on top of your salads. Put it on top of your soups. Put it on top of your vegetable stews. Have eggs for dinner. Poach an egg. Do it today. It's easy AF.